Hello. It's my birthday. As you can see on the title. Yeah. What the heck? Okay, so I don't have a plan for this video, just like the majority of my videos, but I'm doing commissions, so if you want one of those, yeah. This one's probably my oldest one. This one's my ugliest one. I don't like it. And that, and then I think that's a lot of likes, yeah. So, yeah. How's everyone's life? Not bad? Okay. Cool. I want pink long for this. And I don't know, it's just yeah, so I want my gym. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna type this out. Oh, I'm trying to reach. No, okay. Sorry, because I'm holding the mic instead of actually putting it on my head for whatever reason, and I don't want to put it down because I don't want it to make funky noises. Yeah. This is my summer camp friend. So, yeah. Boyfriends? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, she told me about it. Yes, this is apparently this girl's boyfriend. I don't know. Just fake boyfriends. It's a joke. She did it as a joke. Is this person my friend? This person my friend. Because there was a username there, and ooh, that's nice. And then I guess it had. Oh, there she is. Hi. Yeah. So she's nice. I like her. She screeched at the top of her lungs, trying to tell the counselors that it was my birthday, and I'm like, shut up. Because I didn't want the entire camp to know. So yeah, yeah, that happened. It was nice, I guess. Yeah. Why did I go here? Yes, I'm cheap and I use the free one. I'm not gonna use the expensive one because like I said, I'm cheap. Oh my god. So yeah. Okay, wait, I have to, yeah, I have to type. That's a hassle. So yeah, how's everyone's life? Good? Good, that's what I want to hear. How's summer, everyone? Good? Wow, what trade? Oh my god, I'm sobbing. Oh my god, that was a black Longworth. Wow. Why I declined? That was a black long. Oh my god. What am I doing? I need help. Okay, so do you guys want me to do more like? Do you want me? I can do like den decorations. I can do those. I did one a long time ago. I'll pull it up. So I must pause the video. So goodbye for now. By the way, report this person, Dreamette, spelled like this. They're known as like a hack. They're known as a hacker. And just have random stuff, and yeah. So yeah, they're a known hacker, and please go report them. Yeah. And wait, okay. Okay, so oh, I got distracted. Why? Okay, so this video, I can do more of, like, these, if you guys want me to, when I have a pink long. Give me that again. Oh my god. I'm just looking at the bottom to see, like, all the old items, and why. Get this out of here, please. Please. Port, please. Because I can. Thank you. Thank you for removing it, and I guess I froze. No, I just paused it. That's why I don't have sound. Okay, this video has just been me. Why is it watching? Been me just complaining about my old videos, which is dumb, and that was not my plan for this video. I had no plan. I like those tables. I think I deleted that. I don't know. This is the most annoying thing ever. Okay, so gift me right. No, I'm joking. Don't, please. They give us freezies, so that's why I said red freezies, and she's like, I don't like red. No, she doesn't like me. Wait, okay. I'm gonna turn into my look. That is red, and I'm going to piss her off. Because I'm her friend, and I can do that. So, yeah. Die. Red is okay. Red is a nice look. Yes, I know here what they're red. YouTube is red. YouTube symbol's red. That counts. Oh. Oops, sucks to be me. Guess I have no friends. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.